viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Do you love coconuts? Then today's video is for you. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to prepare delicious coconut rice. Trust me, this recipe is a no-fail. Easy to prepare and very delicious. Without any further ado, let's dive into the video. The first thing I'll be doing is blending the coconut with enough water to extract the coconut milk. And please, it is very important you get a strong blender for this process so you don't end up ruining the one you have. So here the coconut has been blended, and this is me extracting the coconut milk from the shaft. This is the already extracted coconut milk. So here I'll be adding vegetable oil to the pot, some sliced onions, and bay leaf. Stir that together and let it fry for a bit. I'll go in with ginger and garlic. Stir everything together. Then add my blended scotch bonnet pepper and stir everything together and leave it to fry for 2 minutes before adding the green pepper. And I'll season it with some seasoning cubes and salt. Then I'm adding a little bit of meat stock just for it to have that meaty taste. Mind you, this process is not really important, but it is good if you add meat stock to the coconut rice. I'll be adding curry powder and thyme. Stir everything together. Add the dried fish and Kpomo. I've already washed and seasoned them. Fry everything. Then add the coconut milk. Add the coconut milk to it. Yes, we don't need to use water. Please be mindful of the shaft underneath the coconut milk. So finally, I'm going in with the washed rice. Stir everything together and add little water to it. I added the water because I didn't get enough milk from the coconut. So if you have enough milk to cook your rice, you don't need to add water to it at all. Cover it for some minutes to boil until it is soft and tender. So once it is soft and tender and the water is dried, you can decide to garnish it with any vegetable of your choice, but for the sake of this video, I'm using green pea, carrot, and spring onions. Stir everything together and it is really ready to be served. Trust me, it's very delicious, simple and easy to cook. You don't need to break the bank before you make coconut rice. So see you guys in my next video. Thank you.